Hello and welcome to this introductory video on navigating corporate finance in the fast growth phase of a business. This video is part of my full Intro to Corporate Finance course, which you can gain access to by checking out the link in the description below. You can also check out my website for more great courses and tutorials. With that said, let's begin. The fast growth phase is a critical stage for companies as they are experiencing rapid expansion and need to manage their finances efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the various aspects of corporate finance in the fast growth phase, including why it's important, what activities are involved, how to manage finances effectively, and who is responsible for financial decisions. The fast growth phase of the corporate life cycle model represents companies that are experiencing rapid expansion and increasing revenues and profits. These fast-growing companies have moved beyond the initial startup phase and are aggressively scaling their operations to capture more of the market. Real-world examples of companies in the fast growth phase include tech startups that have launched a popular new product or service and are building out their team and infrastructure to scale up production and reach new customers. Companies like Tesla, Twitter, and Facebook all went through a period of hypergrowth that falls under this phase. Mid-sized companies that have developed a niche specialty or new innovation that is suddenly resonating broadly with customers. Their sales and customer base are growing exponentially, forcing them to rapidly raise funding and bring on more staff and facilities. Enterprises that have entered a new adjacent market segment and are investing heavily in expansion. For example, a retail company launching an e-commerce site and fulfillment centers to gain ground on online competitors. At this stage, companies face new complexities around capital requirements, operational efficiency, management capacity, and balancing growth with profitability. Their primary focus is fueling expansion through investment while trying to improve margins and generate cash flow to support future growth. Additional funding rounds are common as companies work to scale up their business model to maximum efficiency and reach. However, fast growth cannot last forever, and companies will eventually shift toward the profitability phase or restructuring phase. The fast growth phase introduces new challenges and opportunities in corporate finance, strategy, management, and business operations. Companies have to implement strong controls and governance to manage risks while still maintaining an entrepreneurial spirit. With successful management of this phase, companies can establish themselves as leaders in their industry and generate substantial value for shareholders. But missteps can also be costly, and many startups fail during periods of rapid scaling. Corporate finance is a vital function for any organization during its growth phase. It encompasses the management of financial resources, investments, and capital allocation. The effective implementation of corporate finance strategies during this phase can help companies understand growth drivers, allocate resources efficiently, and improve their cash position. By leveraging corporate finance tools and techniques, organizations can make informed decisions, accelerate growth, and optimize financial performance. In the fast growth phase, it's essential to understand what's driving growth so that you can continue to allocate resources effectively. This might include identifying which products or services are most in demand, which geographies are performing well, or which types of clients are most profitable. By understanding these growth drivers, you can make informed decisions about where to focus resources to accelerate growth. To continue growing quickly, it's important to allocate resources effectively. This might involve investing in marketing campaigns, expanding product lines, or entering new markets. By allocating resources to areas that are likely to drive growth, you can continue to expand your business. Fast growth can put a strain on cash flow as you may need to invest in new initiatives or expand rapidly. To ensure that you have the resources you need to grow, it's important to manage your cash position effectively. This might involve securing venture capitalist funding or optimizing your working capital to free up cash for growth initiatives. In summary, fast growth requires a delicate balance of allocating resources adeptly, strengthening the cash position, and maintaining clarity on the growth drivers. Understanding these three pillars in depth allows companies to overcome challenges and fuel continued momentum during a period of rapid scaling. With a strategic approach, businesses can thrive in the fast growth phase without exhaustion or overexpansion. Overall, corporate finance management proves invaluable for fast-paced growth and sustained success. As companies accelerate growth, finance teams concentrate on performance analysis, capital direction, and liquidity. Financial analysis reveals where to prioritize resources, while proper allocation of capital funds paves the way for investment growth, and working capital management addresses higher needs while ensuring necessary means, avoiding constraints on expansion. With a keen focus across these areas, finance functions enable fast, scalable, and sustainable business development. By illuminating key metrics, influencing important choices, and properly fueling fundamental initiatives, financial management helps businesses thrive during pivotal growth stages. Here are some essential activities within the corporate finance function. Financial analysis aids in determining the best performing products, services, geographies, and types of clients, while studying underlying patterns to inform decision making. To accelerate expansion, businesses need to evaluate financial performance, allocate capital wisely, and maintain liquidity. The financial analytics need to make sure to identify top-performing products, services, markets, and customer segments. This allows them to then analyze trends to guide key decisions. They then use this information to make strategic resource allocations, understand which areas of the business thrive and could benefit from more funding. By doing so, financial analysis reveals the most profitable offerings, fastest-growing markets, and most valuable customer segments. Fully grasping these underlying patterns will help to greatly improve data-driven choices around these focus areas. Capital allocation helps to identify initiatives with significant growth potential that require rigorous analysis to determine the options most likely to enhance revenue and scale your business. You may choose to devote more resources to marketing new offerings, developing breakthrough products, or expansion into overlooked markets. Capital should be allocated to metrics presenting the biggest opportunities and highest likelihood of success, according to thorough evaluations. Effective capital allocation is vital during fast growth to achieve strategic goals while avoiding missteps that waste limited funds. Cash flow management is vital for rapid expansion and often necessitates increased working capital and strained cash resources. Additional funds may be required to launch key initiatives, scale operations, or accelerate growth. Wise cash flow management helps ensure you have adequate liquidity to fuel growth while maintaining financial flexibility. Balancing higher working capital needs with available cash means optimizing key metrics, negotiating improved payment terms, or obtaining financing to bridge short-term cash shortfalls. Maintaining a robust cash position provides a financial cushion and enables continuous investment in high-potential strategies as you work to maximize business success and value. In summary, by conducting extensive financial analysis, allocating capital decisively, and closely managing cash flow, companies can make progress against key goals during fast-paced growth. Careful planning and resource allocation based on data and key priorities enables organizations to progress sustainably. The finance department helps ensure the company grows in a gradual, stable, and scalable manner. To successfully manage corporate finance in the fast growth phase, businesses rely on a variety of tools and strategies. Spreadsheet software enables companies to create financial models, perform scenario analysis, and make informed decisions based on financial statements. BI tools provide real-time data visualization, forecasting, and predictive analytics. This enables companies to track KPIs accurately in order to make data-driven decisions. Let's take a look at each one in more depth. Spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets are an essential tool for financial analysis and cash flow management during a company's growth phase. These applications allow you to manipulate and analyze large amounts of financial data, create detailed forecasts, and perform complex calculations to thoroughly track key metrics that help identify trends, patterns, opportunities, and risks. Spreadsheet software provides the means to monitor cash flow, revenue, expenses, assets, liabilities, equity, and key profitability and liquidity ratios. It enables what-if scenario planning by allowing you to change variables and assumptions to evaluate their impact on financial performance. This allows financial managers to make informed decisions about resource allocation, investment opportunities, hiring needs, and growth strategies to fuel business expansion while maintaining a healthy financial position. Business intelligence or BI tools such as Tableau, Power BI, or ClickView enhance data analysis and reporting capabilities beyond basic spreadsheet software. These tools provide financial managers with real-time insights into all aspects of financial performance, including metrics, KPIs, trends, comparisons, and relationships across data. BI tools enable the creation of customized dashboards and reports to closely monitor growth, profitability, cash flow, costs, revenues, assets, liabilities, and key metrics. They provide visualization of data through charts, graphs, histograms, and other visual elements to recognize patterns and opportunities for optimization. Complex data can be explored at a granular level while still maintaining the big picture, enabling discovery of useful information that supports data-driven decisions. Insights gained from business intelligence tools allow financial managers to precisely allocate resources, determine investment priorities, optimize business processes, restructure costs, enter new markets, and achieve strategic growth objectives during this pivotal phase of business development. To effectively manage the finances in the fast growth stage, businesses rely on financial experts and their teams to make strategic decisions related to managing financial resources, investment, and capital allocation. Various roles and responsibilities are involved in implementing corporate finance strategies, including the financial manager, financial analyst, and treasury. The financial manager oversees the overall financial health of the company and makes sure the business's financial goals are being met. This includes managing financial reporting and analysis, reviewing how money is allocated for capital investments, and controlling cash flow and liquidity. Financial managers ensure the company's financial strategy aligns with general business strategies and objectives, as well as identify new growth opportunities. The accounting team maintains accurate financial records and prepares financial statements while ensuring compliance with accounting rules. During fast growth, the accounting team may need to adapt to changing reporting needs and guarantee financial data is easily available for evaluation. Their team plays a critical role in providing financial information and insights to the financial manager and other members of the corporate finance department. The financial analysis team analyzes financial figures and detects trends and patterns in revenue growth, profitability, and cash flow, allowing them to inform important business decisions. Financial analysts may analyze various data sources, including market trends, customer behavior, and product performance. To do this, they utilize tools such as financial models, spreadsheets, and BI tools to analyze financial data and provide useful information to the financial manager and other corporate finance team members. The Treasury Department manages the company's cash position, ensures sufficient liquidity to meet short-term obligations, and finds ways to invest money for growth. During fast growth, the Treasury team may need to work closely with the financial manager and other teams to guarantee the company has adequate funding to pursue growth initiatives and handle risk. In summary, a well-developed corporate finance function with clearly defined roles and responsibilities is essential for managing finances during periods of rapid growth. Strong communication and collaboration between team members also allow for effective decision-making. In conclusion, the fast growth phase is a critical stage for companies that have moved beyond the initial startup phase and are experiencing rapid expansion. This phase introduces new challenges and opportunities in corporate finance, strategy, management, and business operations. Companies in this phase have to implement strong controls and governance to manage risks while still maintaining an entrepreneurial spirit. Corporate finance plays a crucial role in this phase with its focus on performance analysis, capital direction, and liquidity management. Understanding the growth drivers and allocating resources adeptly while maintaining a strong cash position is crucial. Financial analysis reveals the most profitable offerings, fastest-growing markets, and most valuable customer segments. Capital allocation helps to identify initiatives with significant growth potential that require rigorous analysis to determine the options most likely to enhance revenue and scale your business. By illuminating key metrics, influencing important choices, and properly fueling fundamental initiatives, financial management helps businesses thrive during pivotal growth stages. With successful management of this phase, companies can establish themselves as leaders in their industry and generate substantial value for shareholders. That brings us to the end of this video. This video lesson is part of my financial course that you can gain access to by visiting the link in the description. Also, make sure to check out my website for more great tutorials and courses. I hope that you have enjoyed it and learned something new along the way that will aid you in your journey into finance or starting your own business. If so, please leave a like and subscribe if you have, as well as to get notified of any future videos. Oh, and make sure to check out this video as well. You can also subscribe over here. And this one is pretty cool too.